Is AI going to replace content writers' jobs, especially blog writers? A quick answer, yes. So I wrote 24 blogs using the same time it took me to write one blog post without using AI. So, and for me, I'm here to save you. This is how you can write blogs now using AI, because again, they'll also rank, especially because you want to produce more content. That is a blog post. So I'm going to show you how to write as many blogs as possible using less time. Let's say it's going to take me like less than 2 minutes to write a very good blog that will even rank. So first thing you do, you go to Ndovesha.ai on your browser. Okay. Then you log in to your account if you have one. If you don't have, you just sign up. Then my password here. So I land here. Then you'll see various agents here. But because we want to write a blog, we're gonna select the blog articles agent. Just gonna select that. Then we're just gonna put our topic here, and this agent will generate for us a blog. So I want to write a blog about what is AI marketing and how small businesses can use it. I can also tell it the blog should be 1500 words. So let's see what we'll get here. Let's give it a few minutes. I've also added some details here, like the goal. I want to attract beginners searching for AI marketing basics. So for it now to target the high volume informational keywords, and also to build topical authority. So let's see what we'll have in a few seconds. So we have our blog here. You can see what is AI marketing and how small businesses can use it. 47% of, very nice table of contents. Even it has given you the image suggestion to use in the blog. Also, so you can copy this and publish it to your website, or even you can copy even the HTML code for this blog. Then you can edit in Canvas. You can just edit if you want to edit some of the content inside the blog. Maybe you just want to copy it and paste it to your or take it to your website. You can remove maybe these parts here. You can see then we can, let's try and save it. Then you can go back to chat. Let's see if you see whatever you've removed, it's no longer here. So you can see it has taken me less than 2 minutes to create a very nice blog. So go to Ndovesha.ai, sign up, log in, and try the blog articles agent.